Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing the what's in my diaper bag for the hospital. Well, I would say hospital bag, but mine isn't going to be included because I just have not gotten it ready. So I don't know if I'm going to do it sometime this week if I don't go into labor. Right now I am going to be doing the what's in the hospital, or what's in my diaper bag for the hospital for the baby. So this is my hospital, or my diaper. I got this from Target. I think it was in the bottle section, because this is more like a diaper bag for like to carry your breast pump and stuff. So I mean, and it is a diaper bag, so it's a diaper bag and breast pump carrier all in one, which is why I got it. I had originally ordered the, I think it's Hefton, but I had originally gotten that. Who is this? Who is this? Oh. Then changed my mind, and I mean I can use that as a purse now, but I changed my mind and I decided to get this one, just because I try to dedicate my time towards breastfeeding. So I figured this would be more like useful and I could get more use out of this and not the other one, which I can eventually use the other one for like going out and just, I don't know, I'm probably gonna get used out of the other one too. But I figured this would be more useful, so I got this one. And inside, and I don't know the brand, guys, I honestly, it was like 40 bucks I believe, and they had a nautical one it looked like, but I got this one because this one matches my stroller. So yeah, stroller slash what's it called, car seat. So inside, as you can see, it's kind of spacious inside. That's all the stuff I have in here. And it does have 3 different pockets. Like I said, this one is for your breast pump. I have the Modelo one, I think that's what it's called, and you can just stick it in here and it fits perfectly in there, but I'm not taking it to the hospital. In this other pocket, I do have just the pacifiers. In the front pocket, one right here, I have some white onesies. I know that with my son, these came in handy, so I figured I would buy some of these and take them with me. So I just have 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. And I also have some beanies, or little like hats and stuff for the baby. I have a little bow that I do plan on putting on her for pictures and stuff, because there's, at my hospital, there's a person that goes around taking hospital pictures, which I will eventually take my own camera because I do have a high quality camera for like photography and stuff, so I'm gonna take that. And then it does have 2 other pockets here. I did order a special outfit. Well, it's not an outfit, but it's like a swaddle blanket and a little hats, top knot hats that that matches, and I figured this would be cute for pictures and stuff, so I got her this one, and I am gonna take a couple of bows just for pictures and stuff, and yeah, and I also am taking some socks, a pair of socks, and some mittens. Ooh, did I? And I am going to take some mittens because I know it'll be helpful then I am going to take a little like burp cloth and a washcloth. So I'm going to take a couple of these. I need burp cloth just in case. And, okay, I'll just pack that later. And in the main bag, I have just a couple of outfits. I do have a swaddle blanket. This is a Muslim, I think it's called, Muslim blanket. And if I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. Swaddle blanket. I will have it linked down below if you guys are interested. I know that some people like sell it for like crazy amount of money. And I mean, I just need it for pictures and stuff, so I didn't want to spend like $100 or close to $100 for 2 items that I'm just gonna use for like a short amount of time. So I will have it linked down below. I actually did get this on sale for Black Friday, so yeah. And I love the pattern that it is. So I will have the pattern and the link to it, the set and the blanket and the hat separately in case y'all wanna. I'll just have everything linked below. And I didn't know how, and inside I just have like different outfits, going home outfits, which I'm not really gonna get in detail just because I do wanna, if you wanna see that, you can follow me on Instagram and I will have pictures of the baby and stuff like that when I do take her home, and just different pictures of her. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have in her diaper bag. And of course, I am gonna take a blanket. It's a thicker blanket. It's not really for swaddling, but it can be used if you'd like. I just need this for when she gets out of the hospital. I have something to cover her with, so that because it is the summer and it's going to be freezing cold out, I don't want the cold air to hit her and get her sick and stuff. So I am taking this, and that's pretty much all I have in there for her. Just basic necessities that I'm gonna need. I know that with my son I almost took like his whole closet, and I didn't end up using but like 5 items, and I'm gonna take a bottle just in case, but it's not here yet. I need to wash them, I need to sterilize them and get them ready, so that's not in here, but I will take a bottle just in case. For my hospital bag, I'm just taking necessities, pads, underwear, clothes for when I'm there, socks, slippers, and an outfit to go home. And I'm pretty much going to be, if I do have a C-section, I'm pretty much going to be like in a gown. So I am going to take a robe. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to take. And of course towels, just because I'm a very germaholic person and OCD. And yeah, but towels, and that's pretty much it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, and I will be taking diapers. I am going to be taking size newborn and size 1 just because I don't know how big the baby's going to be. So I'm taking a little bit of each, and other than that, that's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah guys, in less than a week, or if I don't go into labor naturally, in a week from today, I will have my baby girl with me, and it's getting real. I am excited, anxious, and just ready. Be on the lookout for the videos like I did mention in my last video, which by the way, if you haven't seen it, I will have it linked below. But I did kind of mention the scheduling of my like upcoming videos. It was like the name reveal and Matthew meeting her and you guys meeting her. That was totally out of order, but those are the videos that I have planned for you guys. And also, before I go, because I just remembered, I will be taking a letterboard. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I'll insert a picture here. It's a letterboard, and of course, oh my gosh, a Bobby. I am taking Bobby to help me with breastfeeding and stuff, so those other two things. If I forget anything and I then remember anything else, I will have it in the description box below, just because I know it's helpful for like mommies out there. I know that I tend to watch these videos whenever I'm like a week or two away and just preparing my like hospital bag and stuff, so it's just helpful. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah guys, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.